Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable the Avoid Freeways option in the Waze app on your phone. This setting is especially useful if you prefer to drive on local roads or want to avoid high-speed routes. Let's get started step by step. First, open the Waze app on your smartphone. Next, look at the top left corner and tap on the three horizontal lines. Then, scroll down the menu and tap on the Settings option. Now, inside the Settings menu, tap on the Navigation option. This section controls how Waze chooses your routes and which roads it prefers or avoids. Finally, in the navigation settings, look for the toggle labeled Avoid Freeways. Tap to turn it on. Once enabled, Waze will try to route you through local streets instead of freeways whenever possible. And that's how you can turn on the Avoid Freeways setting in Waze. This small change can help customize your driving experience. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips.